Hi guys, and welcome to our Wednesday assembly. Now some of you might have been wondering how your rights are affected during this very strange situation. Now I've been thinking about that, so what I thought was I would love some feedback from you all about your rights during this period. And just to remind you, I'm going to read you this book for every child, and it'll remind you of some of your rights. Whoever we are, wherever we live, these rights belong to all children under the sun and the moon and the stars, whether we live in cities or towns or villages, or in mountains or valleys or deserts or forests or jungles, anywhere and everywhere in the big wide world. These are the rights of every child. Understand that all children are precious. Pick us up if we fall down, and if we are lost, lend us your hand. Give us the things we need to make us happy and strong, and always do your best for us whenever we are in your care. All children should be allowed to live and to grow and grow and grow until we are grown up and can decide things for ourselves. Max, Zara, Betty, Juan, Suin, Riza, Paolo, Yoko, Mohammed. Every one of us shall have a name and a land to call our own. Keep our families together, and if we have no family, look after us and love us just the same. Allow us to tell you what we are thinking or feeling, whether our voices are big or small, whether we whisper it or shout it or paint it, draw, mime or sign it. Listen to us and hear what we say. No one on earth has the right to hurt us, not even our mums and dads. Protect us always from anyone who would be cruel. If we are disabled, either in body or in mind, treasure us especially and give us the care we need to live happily in the world. Watch over us, wrap us up against the cold and rain, and give us shade from the hot sun. Make sure we have enough to eat and drink, and if we are sick, nurse and comfort us. Teach us all to read and write, and teach us well, so we grow up to be the best we can, whatever we wish to do. Take care of our earth, the flowers, the trees, the rivers, the seas, and teach us how to care for it in our turn. All children shall have time to play and time to rest when we are tired. In times of war, do not make us part of any battle, but shelter us and protect us from all harm. Allow us to say our prayers in our own words, whether in churches or temples, synagogues or mosques, chapels or shrines, or any other place a prayer may be said to our own God. And let us sing and dance and dress in the ways of our own people. Do your best to let everyone know that, whoever we are, wherever we live, these are the rights of every child. Now here's your Wednesday challenge. The artwork in that book is absolutely amazing, but Oscar Manor, I know you can do the same. I would like you to create a piece of artwork associated with one of our rights, and show us on Twitter, show us through the email, I don't mind, but just share your work with us. And stay safe and be happy, everybody. Bye.